Good morning, comrades. Today we're going out in something special for a lap, namely the Toyota Supra. Like I told you over winter that your biggest concern was when I kind of gave it away that it was going to lead a boring life, but no. Fabi has done a perfect job to it already, and there's a lot more to come, but it's time to see what the car does on the track after these substantial mods. So a quick recap: it has Pro Track wheels, it has AP Racing brakes, it has Charoudin suspension, and I think it has a remap by now and a couple of other things. But anyhow, we can talk about it for a long time, but it's best that we just hop in and do a lap. Yay! Hello.
Hey,
how are you doing?
pretty good.
So walk me through the mods. As far as I could see, there was Pro Track wheels, 9-kind tires, AP brakes,
Yep.
Jersey suspension, which we can probably see there somewhere.
Exactly. We have the three-way, the
RS Pro 3, yeah.
With the Shermer alignment, and then we have some uniballs in the front.
Uh-huh.
And then the rear is still getting a bunch of stuff done. So.
Okay. Does it already have a remap?
Yeah, it's stage 1 now with 455, I think.
455 horsepower.
It's not too slow actually.
Oh, wow.
It's pretty good.
Interesting.
And next week there's coming a big turbo. So then it'll be even quicker.
And then you're coming to visit me in Croatia, huh?
Yes, yeah. I can't wait for that.
So we're gonna do some laps on Grobnik, probably, and go to Bila car meet on Friday. Awesome, but let's go for a lap now.
All right.
Excited to see. How are you liking it so far?
It's a good car. I mean, the thing is, originally I wanted it for daily, and now, well,
yeah, things happen.
Go, you know how things
I mean,
go.
Things go always wrong with you, because you had a Rolls Royce that you ended up tracking.
Exactly. It's like, good thing I didn't modify it yet. There's no uniball bushings or.
So you bought a Rolls Royce for the track and a Supra for a daily. I mean, it makes perfect sense, huh? So why not? I mean, I also bought 1.9 TDI Mark IV for what, I don't know even what's it for. To be an everything it can do. Wait, how did the Santa get in front of us? Well, because we already did a lap, but then GoPro decided only to record only half the lap, so waiting for a new camera, and we're just gonna go and do a second lap. But maybe this lap is going to consist out of 2 half laps, because, well, one previous half lap, and if this second lap is going to be also half a lap, who knows. But maybe we're gonna have a nice lap with the Senna, but I don't think we have a chance. Depends.
Maybe after the turbo is on, but not now, I think.
Yeah.
It's like...
And it's gone. Trackside checking their cameras if they got the picture of the Santa. It's like
Like I can't even see the car. The cars are braking for me. It's like there's something up there.
have half a lap recorded so far.
Since we have two first halves.
Yeah. Second lap.
Didn't quite catch up with the setup, but
yeah, I hope the camera recorded it this time. But a quick verdict: you need different seats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Yeah.
That's the next upgrade probably.
Yeah, definitely.
And yeah, I'm kind of weirded out by this whole distance control, or what's the right word? Yeah, collision avoidance system.
Collision avoidance system.
Yeah. Kind of Toyota. Why? You build it as a track car. Come on, make it sure that you can switch it off. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and you need a straight pipe.
Yeah. It's coming.
It's
next week.
Or at least an exhaust. This is like very emotionless, I must say. But yeah. Other than that, good lap. I like it. I'm very much looking forward to see what the next upgrades are going to do to a car, and looking forward to see you in Croatia in a few weeks.
All right.
Hopefully, or maybe sooner.
Sure.
Who knows?